guys, it's your girl Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I like to do beauty and fashion videos, but if you've been here before, welcome back. I know it has been about a month since I have posted. Life has just been coming at me. So today I've been waiting to unbox this and find the right time to show you guys. I feel like my channel is basically just becoming a fashion channel, but I swear there's gonna be more beauty coming, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. But I have had my eye on a certain item from Louis Vuitton, and I have been looking at this item for a while. If you guys haven't seen my double zip pochette unboxing, I'll make sure to leave it there. But I mentioned in that video that this is the item I originally wanted, and it is extremely hard to find. So I guess I will just show you, because I've been waiting literally weeks to really use this item so that I could show you guys it brand new. But here is the box, and of course we have my receipt and the item. So here I have a magnetic closure box. I really like these ones. They're just really nice. And here is the item, which they actually sent me ribbon. I did buy this item online, and they sent me the ribbon, which is kind of cool because I don't think I've ever gotten it with any of my other items. So I could have like packaged it all cute for you guys, but this is authentically how I got it. A little hair on it. But here is the item. I can't wait to show you guys. And I have looked at this item, so this isn't a true like first time unboxing, but I haven't used it at all yet, so you guys can see it in all its glory. So here's the item. Take a quick guess what it is. Here it is. I finally got a Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. I have had my eye on one of these for a really long time, and I will say, and I already put usually when you get it, the strap is not connected, but I connected it already just so I can show you guys kind of just how it's supposed to look. But I have had my eye on this item probably since the beginning of the year. It's been in my wish list, but every single time you go online to buy it, it is always out of stock. It is extremely hard to find. So I do want to tell you guys about how I was able to get my hands on it as well. I do just want to go through and show you guys the bag. This is obviously in the monogram print. It's really beautiful. It has the fresh vachetta on there. Everything is in super good condition and quality. I inspected it, which is really nice, because you don't want to get a bad item. And then here is the zipper, and you open it up. This is a 2020 version, so you do have the pocket inside, which I'm really happy about. Little extra organization, and then you just have some of the papers in there. The little fabric card, I'll just keep those in there probably. You can see that it's very spacious. If you guys want like a what fits video, make sure to let me know. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys this real quick, that I finally did get my hands on it, and I wanted to let you guys know how I got my hands on it, if this can help somebody else looking to get this item. And I do want to show you guys, after all this time waiting, looking for this bag, I did get one that is made in France. So I feel like that's why the quality is so top tier. For some reason, the items made in France usually have a better quality that people have noticed, compared to the ones made in USA or Spain. You can see it's just like a really cute little, almost like 2000 style little shoulder bag, and it's just a pochette, and a lot of people use it as a bag, so I think this will be really cute. It's super trendy right now, so I just think this will make a really good kind of everyday bag in my life. So basically the item's been in my wish list. I keep it open on a tab on my phone, and I would go in actually several times a day for over like 9 months. I know it sounds crazy. I was dedicated. And go and check to see if it's in stock online, because I just wanted to buy it online and all that, and with everything with COVID and all that. So I've been kind of looking online for it, and it was always out of stock. So about 3 weeks ago, I stumbled across a YouTube video of how to get the Pochette accessoire, and I don't know why, but I just like felt like, okay, I'm not getting it. I want to get some tips how to find this bag. And honestly, I think it was a little bit of law of attraction for me, honestly. And I know that doesn't sound helpful at all, but I swear I do have a little bit of advice. There was a video that, if I can find it, I will link it below, because it was a video that was kind of telling different times. I believe she was talking about times too, that the bag is usually available, and how she got it, basically. And while I was watching her video, I have YouTube Premium, so it like plays in the background while I open my Safari, and I opened my Safari and it was available. And it was just like crazy, because I have checked it probably 400 times this year, trying to find this item, and while I was watching a video of how to get the item, it was in stock. So maybe if you watch my video and open Safari, you'll find it. I don't know, it was just a really weird fluke thing, honestly. And so what happened is I added it to my bag, but since I've been logged into my account and my wish list for so long in Safari, when I went to hit checkout, it logged me out of my actual Louis Vuitton account, and my bag said it was out of stock. So I went anyways and signed into my account, checked my cart. It was still in my cart, except for it said it was available again. You're logged into your account and you have an account, which is free to make. You might see things in stock, whereas if you're checking out as a guest, it might go out of stock quicker. I don't know if that's real. I don't know if that's true. If you guys have experienced anything like that, let me know. But it showed out of stock when it logged me out and showed me as a guest. As soon as I signed in, it was still in my cart and it said like checkout. So I was able to get it, and I was like moving my thumbs so quick, trying to get this, because I was like, oh my god, I can't let this slip through my hands. I don't know how many they make a year, but I know, especially in 2020, I mean, I don't know how many they make a year. I want to say like a very small amount. And I feel so lucky to have this item, and I will definitely cherish it. For a while, I did kind of lose my hopes, because this bag does go for about twice its retail from Louis Vuitton on a resale market, and I didn't want to buy an item that's already patinaed and possibly not well taken care of for double the price of the new one. It just didn't make sense. I know it's because demand, but I wanted to just be patient, and I was so glad that I was. I checked fashion file, everything like that, and this one, I'm just glad I can have one that I get to take care of, and I can put my own character on it, and the patina will be fresh from me. I don't know why that seems so special to me, but it did. And you know, the time was just right. I checked it out and I'm like, okay girl, I don't know how much money I got right now, but I gotta be able to buy this, because it's kind of like a now or never situation. So if you're looking for it, definitely keep some money aside and check it out as soon as you see it available, and keep on checking all the time, all times of the day. I've had some people say that like 5 p.m. Eastern is a good time to look. I don't know for sure. I will make sure to link the videos down below. Since this is my first item that I've got brand new with Pochette, I really wanted to make sure that I take care of this bag correctly. So if you guys haven't heard of this, this is Apple Guard. You can use it on your bags to help resist the stains and water stains and things like that. So I want to show you how it works, because I did try this on one of my other bags, and I also tried it on a pair of shoes, so I know it works. So it can be quite scary to do. You should probably go outside and do this, but I just want to show you that it doesn't mess up the Pochette. So if I put it, it's wet. and then by the time it dries, it looks completely the right color. So I'm going to make sure to treat this with the Apple Guard. It doesn't do anything weird to your bags, and this way the patina will hopefully age a little bit more gracefully and evenly. I will definitely make sure to maybe leave a review and maybe a more in-depth tutorial on how to do that, but I just want to share with you guys my find because I was so excited about it. Obviously, if you guys are going to do this, maybe do this in a well-ventilated room or outside. It's really strong scented. It's very chemically. But that's basically it, you guys. I just wanted to show you my find and share with you my manifestation of this bag in my life, and it's crazy. I just never thought that I was going to be able to find it, and now I'm questioning, should I keep the double zip? What do you guys think? Now that I have the pochette accessoire, and I feel like I'm going to be able to fit more stuff in this too, which is really nice. So very versatile and just the right size. It's a perfect bag. I can definitely see why it is so hard to get. So I hope this video helps some of you guys looking for this bag, and if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and leave some comments down below of any sort of other videos that you guys want to see from me. But that is all for today, so hope you guys enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed making for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.